Ew, I just touched it. Ew.
That's sticky.
Ew. Today we're gonna do
Glow in the dark slime.
glow in the dark slime. Very cool. So we have two different colors, which is like a teal blue and a bright pink. Which one do you want to do?
Anybody, money, mo. Two in the comments. Pick the one you think you want.
But we have to figure this out right now. So which one do you want to do?
Let's do blue.
You want to do the blue? Okay, set the pink aside. We'll do the pink another day.
Yes.
Okay. All right, so we need this.
And a mixing bowl.
We use contact solution. It has the stuff that makes it start activating. And then baking powder, soda, baking soda. We need some of this. Tablespoon. Okay. What we need to do is, I believe, pour this in here.
Yep.
Okay.
It might take a while.
Nah, squeeze it. Ooh. What if we go like this?
Ooh, slicky.
How do you suggest we get it all out of there?
I know.
What?
You just need a thing, Dada.
Good job. Ew, I just touched it. Ew.
That's sticky.
Ew.
It's still a little bit more inside there. You see, you almost see it.
Okay. Add a half tablespoon of baking soda.
Have a half tablespoon of baking soda.
Okay.
Baking soda.
This is a full tablespoon, so it's about half.
That's a half tablespoon.
1 tablespoon of contact solution. Where's the contact solution? Okay. One full one of these.
Who has a what?
Ooh, it's one full. Okay. And then it says mix it.
Get a spoon.
Oh, got a spoon right here.
It's a small spoon.
It's fine.
Fine. Kind of.
Sure. So with everything in there, you knead it around, right?
Yep. Okay, kind of. Ew. That's sticky than ever.
Yeah, it's still sticky, huh?
Yeah, let's keep mixing it for a minute.
I'm getting in there two-handed.
Ew.
Uh-oh.
Messy fingers.
About this one is we chose glow in the dark, right? So when we get done mixing it, we're gonna wait till it gets dark and then show you all the glow in the dark.
It looks like a slime from after.
All right. So I mean, in reality, it's already slime. It doesn't stick to my fingers anymore. You know, it just got a good consistency. So what it says is, if it's too sticky and it keeps sticking to your fingers, keep adding some more of the contact solution. That's what activates the slime and it keeps it from sticking to you so you can play with it. Pretty simple, as you can tell. Literally baking soda, ELMERS glue, and contact solution.
It'll probably be a little bit hard to like do this.
So in the description, I will put the 3 ingredients you need and maybe even a quick directions, but it is nothing hard and y'all can enjoy it. I will at the end of this video put at nighttime, since we did get glow in the dark, and I want to make sure the glow in the dark actually works. So is it glow in the dark?
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh, look at that. Now that is awesome, y'all. This is a really good recording. That is cool.
In the dark.
So as you guys see, it really does work. All right, y'all, so that was it. Obviously, we showed you that it does actually glow in the dark, right?
It's a little bit sparkly.
That has glitter already built in. This one did. Not all of them do. But like I said, they got the pink one as well. They got a few. There's a purple one. There's a like a glow in the dark color, like a light green, like the actual glow in the dark color. So
You can buy one online too.
Online? What does she know about online? She's 6. Anyways, thanks for watching, y'all, and stay tuned for our next videos. So I'm gonna go ahead and put around here, and that'll show you where our other videos are. You can click on those.
Guys, comment down below what's your favorite video.
Of our videos? But which one of theirs of our videos?
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's a good question. Thanks for watching, y'all.
Bye.